Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Williamson County, northwestern Travis County, south central Burnett County, until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Smithfield, or near Marble Falls, moving at 40 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for southern Burnett and northwestern Travis County. Hazard, 3-inch hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, emergency management in Burnett County. People and animals outdoors will be severely injured. Expect shattered windows, extensive damage to roofs, siding, and vehicles. Locations and tactics include Austin, Round Rock, Cedar Park, Georgetown, Marble Falls, Bertram, Andersonville, Leander, Lago Vista, Hudson Bend, Liberty Hill, Spicewood, Oatmeal, Smithwick, Jonestown, Holland, Jollyville, and Seward Junction. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is a dangerous storm. Prepare immediately for large destructive hail capable of producing significant damage. Inside a strong building and stay away from windows.